day. Today I'm going to present the LTO4 application development. So this LT says that I need to record a video presentation of my final project demonstrating the use of database seeds, migration, input, validation, user authentication, session management, and Laravel Eloquent ORM. So first, I'll show you the database seeds. So I have two database seeds, the admin seeder, which seeds the admin, so I can log in into an admin. Event set seeders, so to show the I to seed the events table. Next, I will show you the database migrations. First, I is this users to add columns to users. Next is the events. This this will store the events data. Next is the admin, so I can have an admin user. And last is the registrations for registering to the events. Next is input validations. So we can see the input validations here in event controller, which is validates the data that will be requested, the name, description, location, and date. There's also an input validation here in the update function in the event controller to validate the request to update the current event. Next is the user authentication. So I've used two user authentications. First is for the user, the normal user. This here. There's also an user authentication in here. Here's the user authentication for the normal users. And the second one is the admin where authenticates the admin here. Next is the session management. Here, I'm using sessions to give a message that says that the registration is completed successfully. Here also in the event controller, I've used a sessions in the update function and delete function. Last is the Laravel Eloquent ORM. So Laravel Eloquent ORM can see here in the models. Here, this is a Laravel Eloquent, the event model, and the registrations model. That's all for the presentation for LTO4.